Hello kids! Welcome back to our learning channel. Today, we are going to learn something very useful in English grammar, articles. So are you ready? Let's begin our fun journey. Articles are small words we use before nouns. The three main articles are a, an, the. We call a and an indefinite articles because they talk about something general. We call the definite article because it talks about something special or unique. For example, I saw a dog in the park, not a specific dog. I saw the dog that lives next door, a special dog we know about. So remember, a and an mean anyone, while the means that one in particular. Let's practice. Apple, an apple. Book, a book. Sun, the sun. Say them again with me. An apple, a book, the sun. Excellent! Now let's learn the rules of using a and an. We use a before a word that begins with a consonant sound. Examples: a book, a car, a dog, a balloon. Even if the word starts with a vowel letter, if it sounds like a consonant, we still use a. Example: a university, because it sounds like U. We use an before a word that begins with a vowel sound: a, e, I, o, u. Examples: an apple, an egg, an idea, an orange, an umbrella. Even if the word starts with a consonant letter but has a vowel sound, we use an. Example: an honest man. Silent H sounds like a vowel. Quick game. I'll say a word, you tell me whether it needs a or an. Mango, a mango. Orange, an orange. European, a European. Hour, an hour. Kite, a kite. Well done! Now let's learn how to use the. We use the in many special cases. For things that are unique, the sun, the moon, the earth, the sky. For famous places or monuments, the Taj Mahal, the Red Fort, the Eiffel Tower. For mountains, rivers, seas and oceans, the Ganga, the Himalayas, the Pacific Ocean. For directions and deserts, the East, the Sahara Desert. For musical instruments, the piano, the guitar. For newspapers and organizations, the Times of India, the United Nations. For superlatives, the best, the tallest, the shortest. So, whenever you are talking about something special, unique or famous, use the. Let's try filling in the blanks. Have you been to the Taj Mahal? I'd like to eat a cheeseburger. I'd like to learn how to play the piano. The Andes is the longest mountain range. The best striker of football team got injured. Super job! Now sometimes we use no article at all. This is called the zero article. We don't use articles before names of subjects. I like mathematics. Before languages. She speaks Hindi. Before meals. We eat lunch at 1 p.m. Before games, they play football every evening. For example, I have the breakfast every day. I have breakfast every day. I was born in the 2005. I was born in 2005. Error hunt activity. Can you spot the mistakes? I was born in the 2005. Remove the. I have breakfast at 9 o'clock. It should be at 9 o'clock. My mother tongue is an English, it should be is English. The dinner is my last meal of the day. Just say, dinner is my last meal of the day. Good job correcting them. Now let's do a fun activity with sentences. Fill in the blanks with the correct article. I want to be a doctor when I grow up. We should never judge a book by its cover. My uncle recently bought a Hyundai car. January is the first month of the year. I ate a lot last night, so I had to go for a walk. Well done, kids. You are becoming article experts. Let's quickly revise what we learned today. Articles are a and the. Use a before consonant sounds. Use an before vowel sounds. Use the for unique, famous or specific things. Sometimes we use no article.
Well done, kids. Clap. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you next time with a new lesson. Bye, kids. Thanks for watching.